cordial welcome to your parents and students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. We understand that COVID-19 pandemic has created uncertainty for all of us, especially the students. In this pandemic, we have been teaching only remotely and we are giving our best to educate our students virtually. Our utmost words of gratitude to all our parents who have been a constant support to us. You have taken great effort to cooperate with us during the online classes. Our students who were persistently attending classes with much perseverance are being well appreciated for the same. We know you have gone through some difficult months this year. We are sure that it will pay off. Today, we are glad to inform you all that as per government circular, we are going to commence in-person teaching in the school for standard 9th and 10th. 50% of the students will be reporting every alternate days. We plan to have both online and offline classes on alternate days respectively. Education department and school management has decided terms and conditions to ensure the continuation of your ward's education in the school premises. Parents should not send their child to school in case he or she is suffering from any symptoms such as cold, fever, coughing, sneezing, or any other listed symptoms as per the Ministry of Health. Parent should not send their ward to school in case any of family member contact has been found positive of the novel coronavirus or is suffering from any symptoms. Parents should inform the school authorities about any medical or health issue in their family to the school for the safety of other children and not withheld any information. Students should always maintain and follow all social distancing, sanitization, and hygiene measures stated by the school authorities during their duration in the school premises or are in their school uniform. Parents should not provide any eatables, packed or home cooked food so as to prevent sharing of foodstuff and preventing the spread of the coronavirus in the school premises. Parents should provide hand sanitizer at all time along with a mask as prescribed by the health authorities, which is to be worn at all times during the duration of the school. Parents should instruct their ward to not change, exchange, or alter their seating arrangement as provided by the school according to norms directed by the school management. We assure that precautionary measures will be taken. The infrastructure will be sanitized and necessary resources will be provided as per the government mandates. Your children will be in the safe hands. We are ready for back to normal teaching. So, we need the confirmation from you all parents regarding the willingness to send your ward for physical classes to school. We are sending you the concerned Google form. So kindly fill the form and submit. As per government norms and with all precautionary measures, we are planning to start school physically from coming few days. Till time, be safe, be healthy, keep learning. Thank you.